divine love, by achieving the divine love, how we will proceed? We will have to realize first. It is most important thing. If we do not realize that who am I, where from I am, where from I have come in this earth, and who am I, and who, then that is the main question, who am I? If I got the answer, then only I will see that only one I exists. You see, that I, which is everybody's I, is the same I. We have one I, that I, that I am going, I am walking, I am sleeping, I am eating, I am enjoying, but I am doing many things, but that I is constant. And that constant in nature, that I is called Brahma. In Upanishad, it is told like that Aham Brahmashmi, that I am that Brahma. So that I is never changes, and that I is residing within us. But here, there is no room for two eyes. But there is no room for two eyes. In our heart, only one eye will exist, that is God, that is Brahma, that is your actual identity, that who you are. That is our actual identity. So to know that I, to know that real I is realization. To know that real I is called realization. This is why it is said that love unifies our individual self to the universal self. The love unifies from individuality to universality. So we have to understand that what is I, that I is actually one, and that is oneness. Vedanta philosophy, Vedanta philosophy believes in universal oneness, not universal brotherhood, universal, but universal oneness. I, you, he, she, all are one. This is the main thing, that oneness, and we have to realize this oneness. Oneness means that the real I exists. I only exist. That I is termed as Brahma or Atman or self. Here, this I has no vibration. But remember it, this I has no vibration, the real I. In the real I, there is no vibration at all. It is still, it is steady and still, and that is Brahma. If that I become mine, or I become me, or I become we, then vibration begins. Then the vibration begins, and that results the creation starts, that the world creation starts. When there is no vibration, that I, if there is no vibration, then it is a Brahma, where there is no question of any creativity or any creation. But when that I becomes me, or I becomes we, then vibration starts. And then vibration starts, then it means then creation begins. And the world appears before us. And this world, what we are observing, that world, it is appearing before us. So, and at the output, we are feeling the pain, sorrow, or joy. Everything will be there. When there is a creation, there will be joy, sorrows, pain, everything will be there. So in order to overcome this pain, sorrows, and joys, so what to do? We have to remain with ourselves. We have to remain with self. We have every individual self, and that is Atman. We have to remain with that Atman. We have to remain with that Brahma, or we have to remain with that self. To enjoy absolute bliss and eternal love, we must have to realize this. we must have to stay with this oneness, the feeling of oneness, that is the self, that I and you are not two. I and you are one, always one. That the name and the shape, name and the form are the different. Only this is the different, that name and the